Today we're making
Biscotti.
Mom's joining me in the kitchen and she swears to give you all of the ingredients
I
to the
promise.
recipe because nonas love to leave things out. These are called Quaresimali Biscotti.
They're a little different than normal biscotti because they have two things that biscotti normally don't have: brown sugar and a hint of cinnamon.
Are they delicious or what?
They're the best.
Here's how you make them.
2 cups of almonds, bake 8 to 10 minutes at 350.
While your almonds toast in a stand mixer, cream together softened butter and sugar.
Once the butter and sugar has creamed, add 2 eggs and the extracts.
In a separate bowl, mix together flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. Add your flour mixture into the stand mixer about a third of a time, mixing until well incorporated.
Once your almonds have toasted, coarsely chop and add to the stand mixer.
You could also use a food processor for this step.
Now roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface, divide in two, and make your biscotti logs.
Place on your cookie sheet and bake them at 350 for about 20 to 22 minutes until they're golden brown. Once biscotti have cooled for about 10 minutes on your baking sheet, place them on a cutting board and cut them into biscotti either straight across or diagonally.
Place cut biscotti back on the cookie sheet and back into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. Like this video and I hope you make them. Enjoy!
If you want to see more recipes from me and Mom, comment below.